Quick question for you. When's the last time you put sunscreen on your arms? Or applied a serum to your legs? Or thought about collagen, but for your body, not your face? If you're like most people, the honest answer is rarely or never. And that's actually the reason your body skin may be showing age faster than your face. In this video, I'm going to explain what's actually happening to your body skin as you age, while the face gets all the attention while the body quietly suffers, and what face-grade ingredients can do to slow that process down. Hey everybody, this is Robin from Violet Botanical Skincare, and welcome back. Here's the science, and I promise to keep it simple because I can get nerdy. Your skin has a job. Its number one job is to act like a seal. Think of it like, weather stripping around your front door. When it's in good condition, everything stays where it's supposed to. Warmth inside, cold outside. But when it gets worn down and dried out, things start leaking through. Your skin barrier works the same way. When it's healthy, it keeps moisture in and keeps irritants out. But as we age, a few things start happening. Your skin produces less collagen, which is the protein that keeps skin firm, plump, and resilient. Less collagen means skin starts to thin out over time. Your skin also produces fewer natural lipids. Those are the fatty substances that keep the barrier intact and help keep skin and help it hold on to moisture. And when those lipids decline, moisture starts escaping faster than your skin can replace it. The result, skin that feels dry no matter what you put on it, skin that looks crepey or rough, skin that just doesn't bounce back the way it used to. Quick question. Have you noticed a change in how your body skin feels compared to 5 or maybe 10 years ago? Maybe it's drier, maybe it feels thinner, maybe lotion just doesn't seem to cut it anymore. Let me know in the comments because I want to know if this resonates. So here's the part most people don't think about. Your face gets a lot of attention. Ladies, we have our face game on point. SPF every morning, serum at night, moisturizer, eye cream, the whole routine. And that attention matters because all those steps are actively supporting your skin barrier, fighting collagen loss, and protecting against the things that age skin faster. Your body? It usually gets a quick swipe of lotion after a shower, if that. And meanwhile, your body skin is dealing with everything your face is dealing with. UV exposure on your arms, chest, and hands. Hot showers that strip natural oils. Cleansers that weren't designed to protect the barrier. And the same collagen decline happening head to toe. The face gets the defense team. The body, well, it's out there on its own. That's why body skin can start showing the signs of aging sooner than you'd expect. Not because it ages faster by nature, but because it gets so much less support. I want you to think about something for a second. If you spent half the time on your body care that you spend on your face, what do you think would change? This is where face-grade body care comes in. And I don't mean slapping your facial serum on your legs. I mean using body care formulated with the same quality of ingredients, specifically chosen for what they do for the skin barrier and moisture retention. As a botanical formulator, this is what I think about every time I develop a formula. Fatty acids are the key. They're the building blocks your skin naturally uses to maintain its barrier. And as your skin produces fewer of them with age, you can support that process by applying them topically. Plant oils like marula oil and shea oil are naturally rich in oleic acid, one of the primary fatty acids your skin barrier needs to stay intact and hold onto moisture. Nilotica shea butter has a higher concentration of oleic acid than standard shea, which means it absorbs more effectively and nourishes without that heavy, waxy feeling. These aren't trend ingredients. They're ingredients doing the same job your skin used to do on its own, just with a little help. Sometimes we need a little help from our friends. And that's what face grade body care actually means in practice. Not a fancy label, just ingredients that support your skin where it needs it most. The good news is this doesn't require an overhaul of your life. 3 simple things make the biggest difference. First, cleanse gently. A body wash that strips your skin is working against everything you do afterwards. Choose something that leaves your skin feeling comfortable, not squeaky. Second, apply oil or moisturizer to damp skin right after your shower, like within 3 minutes. That's when your skin still has water to lock in. Fatty acid-rich plant oils absorb beautifully at that moment. Third, use a rich body butter on the areas that tend to dry out fastest: shins, elbows, knees, hands. These areas lose moisture quickest and benefit most from a concentrated barrier supportive formula. Consistent, simple, and your skin will actually have time to respond. Your body's skin has been doing its best with very little support. It doesn't need a 10-step routine. It needs consistent care with ingredients that actually support the barrier, the same way your face has been getting for years. That's the shift, and it's a simple one. If you found this helpful, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's the one thing your body's skin has been asking for that you haven't given it yet? And if you want to go deeper on the ingredients we've talked about, I've linked a full article below. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.